Bonjour French 1. This is your first official homework video notes page of the year. I want to remind you what we talked about when you watched the sample video notes in class today, and that is, don't forget, you'll want to repeat after me and the pauses provided in order to have the most effective learning experience so that you not only see the vocab word, hear the vocab word, write the vocab word, but you also say the vocab word. So even though you may feel silly, find yourself a nice quiet place where nobody's going to bother you and give yourself the advantage of actually repeating after me in the pauses. And then also remember that for each word, you're going to get the official French word over here on the line. It is required that you write that on your notes page in order to get full credit on your homework. Over here on the parentheses, though, with the green background, are those optional pronunciation phrases. If you want to use them, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a notes page all about greetings, how you say hi to somebody or also how you say bye to somebody. So first thing we're going to start with is ways of saying hello to somebody, including one that we've covered before, which is the way you say either hello or it's technically considered to be good morning or good day. It's used during daytime hours, and that word is bonjour. Did you remember to repeat after me in the pause? If not, you can get it right on this next one. The next one is used more in the evening or nighttime. If it's dark outside, instead of saying bonjour, you'll probably want to say bonsoir. And finally, a little bit less formal, you've got the word hi, which is just salut. Next, we have a pretty lengthy list of ways of saying goodbye. We start off with the phrase for see you soon, which is à bientôt. We also have see you tomorrow, which is à demain. There are two versions of see you later. We have à plus tard. And on the next line, à tout à l'heure. Finally, if you just want the good old-fashioned regular way of saying goodbye, that is au revoir. The last set of notes on this page is just kind of some random titles that sometimes come up, because sometimes you'll say hi sir or hi ma'am. They'll also come up again whenever we talk about giving your name or asking somebody else's name, but I figured we'd go ahead and squeeze in the miscellaneous titles here. So the word for Mr. in French, first of all, this is its abbreviation. It's abbreviated instead of MR like it is in the English language with just the letter M, and the word for Mr. in French is Monsieur. The word for Mrs. is abbreviated with this MME, and it's short for their version of Mrs., which is Madame. And the word Miss is abbreviated like this with the MLLE, and it's short for Mademoiselle. Don't forget to take a moment to fill up that wrapping up section. You remember you only have to choose one thing to do. You may either ask a question if there was something confusing about the video, write a summary if you feel like everything was great and you know exactly what's going on, or give me a quick sentence critique of a way to make the video better for next year. Don't forget, you'll need to bring this notes page in with you to class in order to receive full credit.